The 22nd is on a Sunday. We're having a fun run. We're having an MMK fun run. We are raising funds, so the fun run will be free. We're giving out MMK t-shirts. Okay, we're hoping for about 6,000 people to participate, not too big, not too small. And then the next day, there's a flag raising ceremony. After that, there'll be a mass inside. And then I think they will sing to me after that. Yun lang nga po. That's all. Very simple. Maybe I might do that. That's a good suggestion, Apo. Okay.
The run for the cause.
The run for the cause?
Is there any funds for it? Or?
No. All the money that we raise will go into buying all the t-shirts that we will give free to everyone.
All right.
Okay, and certificates. So it's all libre for everyone who participates. That's where the money goes. Okay? You still have?
Yes, of course.
So you can wear it when you run on Sunday. You wear it when you run.
Too tiny already.
Okay? Too tiny, huh? Okay. Yes, we visited Apaya and we visited 7A, just at the back. Okay, and the Vice President had some very good suggestions, which I will not share with you, Muna. Okay, but they're very, very good suggestions. And also the Senadora also made suggestions. And please understand that we are formulating something that will be able to deal with the flooding here in Laoag. I'm working on something, but it's premature to talk about it, Apo. Okay? So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.